Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and discover new music on SoundCloud? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So let me just tell you, SoundCloud is not going to completely give you totally off genres music. However, it's going to go ahead and based on what you have recently played. For example, I've played a couple of Juice WRLD songs here. It's going to go ahead and suggest me discover with stations mixed for yourself, right? And all you need to do is just simply go ahead and select one of these mixes and you can go ahead and try to listen to it. So for example, if this was saved, so you can simply try playing it and it will suggest you a bunch of other music, or you could also go ahead and find them from right over here, which is discover with stations. You can simply go ahead into freestyle station, for example. It's going to give you related with Juice WRLD as well, or if you want completely different, you want to simply go ahead and look into artists to watch out for. There are going to be a lot of other people. So buzzing rock is there, there's also buzzing hip-hop, buzzing metal, buzzing R&B, and many more. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.